10 essentials, take 1. Hey, it's Marilla Manelli with Kenra Professional, and today I'm gonna share my 10 essential items that I can't live without as a hairstylist. I'm gonna have to go with coffee. Coffee is my #1 essential item because it's what gets me up in the morning and also fuels the rest of my day. So whether I'm like driving far to go to a set or do a hair show or just some education or some hair behind the chair, you gotta have coffee. I really do think we need a detangling brush though, because I use it for detangling wet hair, dry hair, and sometimes I even use it for blow drying too. It's a pretty versatile brush, so it's like my #1 OG go-to detangling brush. So I really love the Big Daddy brush because it, again, is really versatile brush. I can use it for root touch-ups, full color application, balayage foiling, color melting, you name it. It gets a lot of coverage in a quick amount of time. Okay, this brush cleaning tool is 100% a must-have. It's gonna make your life so much easier, and if you're not cleaning your brushes, you really need to because they're disgusting even after one use. But I love this tool mostly because I love this side because it just really gets in like between the bristles, and your clients will thank you for using a clean brush on their hair. So that's why I have to have it. This Dreamweaver weaving comb is a must because, again, it does a multitude of things. I like using tools that do different things, so I'm not having to use 10 different tools that do the same thing, right? So this can weave for me. This has the weaving part, so if I want to create really organic looking highlights, and it has a long stem to it, so it's kind of like my go-to weaving comb. So you just take a slice and you insert your comb. I don't know if you can see that. And then you can section it out and it separates it for you. And ta-da, you have highlights, yay. My Dyson Supersonic dryer, I've had an array of different blow dryers in my lifetime, and this is my all-time favorite. It dries the hair in record time, it's super powerful, and I like that it has like thermal control to it, so I'm not gonna overheat up the hair. And it has a bunch of different functions on it. And plus, this is the pink one, so I had to have the pink dryer because I like pink everything. So anyone that's ever worked with me knows that I will kill for this comb, and if it's not in my station, I'm asking who stole it because it is the carbon silk comb from Cricut, and I have to have this exact size. Like, I can't cut hair without this comb. It glides through the hair so smoothly, and I feel like I can get a nice tension with the smaller teeth or do some low tension cutting with the wider teeth. So again, a versatile tool in my arsenal, and I can't live without this one. I really love my T3 irons, and specifically the 1 1/4 inch, but if I could choose all the tools, I would, but the 1 1/4 inch is my go-to. And I like these irons because they get really hot. They are single pass irons, meaning you just go through the hair one time, so it smooths and curls all in one step. So this is perfect for somebody who has like really coarse curly hair, which is typically what I work on, that wants that smoothing effect. So that's why I have to have these. The only thing that I wish that these T3 irons would come in is in a Marcel version, because I like having the ultimate control with curling. But the main reason why this is my go-to is just because of the heat and the single pass option. My all-time favorite go-to lightener is Beyond Bond Lightener, and it really is because of the dual bond technology, but I'm gonna tell you why. So I really love a lightener that's gonna give me hydration and slip, and that's exactly what this does, because when I take my clients to the bowl after doing a fresh teasy light, it just adds the proper amount of slip so I can go in with my detangling brush and gently detangle a lot of the hair. And just feeling that slip is just giving me a really nice foundation before doing any toning. Okay, this is probably the #1 product I cannot live without, the Texturizing Taffy. I fell in love with Kenra because of the Texturizing Taffy. Number of reasons, of course, the smell. It literally smells like taffy, but I like it because it's a fiber-based paste, and I don't use it in the traditional sense of adding texture to the ends, which is what it's typically used as. I love using it over a fresh blowout, or also using it while I'm doing upstyling to control the hair as I'm braiding or just adding texture to the hair. So that's really why I love it. And you know, the The packaging's really pretty. It's just so cute, and yeah, it just smells amazing. See, there's little fibers. So I really hoped you enjoyed learning my top 10 essentials as a hairstylist, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and be sure to check out my other hair tutorials and videos right here on this channel, and I will see you in the next one.